What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Today, as you see, we are in the RS. Finally, we are back in the car. It took me 5 or 6 days to get everything put back together and everything adjusted. Not that we're not having problems, because there's always something that goes wrong. Right now, I have no power steering. It's very difficult to turn my wheels, so that's a problem. I believe I know what the problem is. It should be a simple wire that got left out. I believe it's the wire that goes to the battery box, so I'm currently on my way to my buddy's house because that's where all my tools are right now, of course. But drivability with this new XClutch is very good, better than what I had expected. I expected it to be a little bit more difficult because of videos that I've seen on YouTube already, but what I can say is it's very drivable. The clutch feels very stock-like. Of course, there's a little bit of chattering when the gears aren't engaged. When it's just sitting at neutral at a stoplight, there is a little bit of chattering. Oh, those pops sound so good with the catless downpipe. So far, I got about 15 miles on the new clutch. I haven't really driven it all that much because, like I said, I do have a power steering issue. My all-wheel drive system does not engage. And of course, because of that, I cannot select a drive mode. So it's a little bit of a pain, but we're going to get everything resolved today, hopefully. It's a matter of finding that wire and putting it back on the battery box, and hopefully that solves all my issues. If not, to Ford it goes. That's the last thing that I want to do, is take it to Ford. I want to figure it out myself. I'm pretty confident, though, that that is the problem. Now, one thing that I do have to say, man, it's hard to turn this wheel, but anyhow, you pretty much have to be Superman to drive this car without any power steering. Actually, I shouldn't say power steering, it's electric steering, but the same concept. But what I was getting to, I have to admit that the clutch is a little difficult to break in. Hopefully it gets a little easier to drive once it's broken in. It's definitely difficult to drive right now because the catch point is very strong. When it bites, it definitely bites hard. So I've stalled it once so far, and I'd say I'm doing pretty good with that. So right now I'm on my way to my buddy's house. Hopefully we can get this problem sorted out. We actually forgot to put the heat shield on the transfer case, so I'm going to take care of that at the same time. Alright guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on how the clutch is feeling, how everything's going with the clutch, my problems, everything. So there you guys have it. Hopefully you've enjoyed yet again another video. If you have, of course, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash.